Thomas,
Yeah?
I got a question.
Hit me. Ow, Percy, what was that for?
You said hit me.
I didn't mean it literally.
Well, you should have specified.
Anyways, what was your question?
Oh yeah, well, I was wondering, why has it been so long?
How so?
Check when our last video was uploaded.
Okay. Oh, well, Percy, you see, our owner is lazy and also has been busy with school.
But after school, he still didn't upload.
What about his Twitter?
Thomas, please, goes to the channel and then checks his Twitter.
Yeah, for a point, but that's amazing. But no worries, I've heard he's gonna start uploading again.
Oh yeah? What's the video schedule gonna be?
He tries to upload 2 times a month. One video at the beginning of the month and one video at the end. But most likely he's just not gonna have a video schedule. So yeah.
Thomas, you better not be leaking anything.
I'm not.
Okay, but I'm watching you.
Idiot.
I heard that. Come here.
Fool.